everybody! Today we're going to read a book from the Peppa Pig series, Peppa's Baking Competition. Miss Rabbit is having a baking competition and Peppa is very excited. Can we bake a special cake, please? She asks Mummy and Daddy Pig. Yes, of course, Peppa, says Mummy Pig. We can all bake a cake together. George, cheers. Cake! Can we make a cake like this? Asks Peppa, pointing to the recipe book cover. That's a Victoria sponge, says Daddy Pig. It's a classic. Peppa and George have lots of fun making their Victoria sponge. Spongy, spongy, says George. It looks nice, says Peppa, looking at the cake, but I'm not sure it's special enough. Miss Rabbit loves carrots. Maybe we could make a carrot cake, says Peppa. Great idea, says Mummy Pig. So they bake a lovely sweet carrot cake. It looks tasty, says Peppa, looking at the carrot cake. But I wonder if a chocolate cake might be even more special. You can't go wrong with a chocolate cake, Peppa, says Daddy Pig. Why's that, Daddy Pig? Asks Mummy Pig. Because it's made of yummy chocolate, of course, replies Daddy Pig. So Peppa and her family set to work and bake a yummy chocolate cake. Soon the chocolate cake is ready. They all look special, says Peppa. I don't know which one to choose for the competition. Then Peppa has a brilliant idea. She puts the cake on top of each other. Then she covers the whole cake and the kitchen in rainbow sprinkles. It's my special giant sprinkle cake, Peppa announces proudly. It's got sponge, chocolate and carrot cake all together. Now that looks really, really special, Peppa, says Mummy Pig, smiling. When they get to the competition, Peppa sees her friends Susie Sheep, Danny Dog and Emily Elephant. They have made cakes too. Miss Rabbit spends a long time deciding. Finally, she makes an announcement. The winner of my baking competition is Peppa and George's special giant sprinkle cake. Everyone cheers. Hooray! Thank you, Miss Rabbit, says Peppa. What's my prize? A piece of delicious cake, says Miss Rabbit. Peppa loves cake. Everyone loves cake. The end.